Hello and good evening to one and all those who are watching this video. Here you can see today it's totally cloudy and raining outside, so we're having professional cricketer boy 12 years old Pranit, and after school what we have decided is we are going to have a practice in our house only. So this is the way he's trying to make correction for straight drive, cover drive and on drive. So today he's going to do 15 times straight drive, so between the broken chair two legs, and then he will do on drive for 15 times and cover drive for 15 times, and then we are going to do back foot punch of covers straight and on drive. So nothing gonna stop our training, even if rain outside. North Sikkim, as we know, it's totally rainy season. So this is how he's doing practice. If you like our video, kindly do subscribe and kindly share with the young passionate cricketer. Thank you.